What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my new video. Well, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get free Domino's pizza just by using your phone. So let's get right to it. Gotta tell you guys this works like once a month. So every single month you could get free pizza from Domino's Pizza the Pie Rewards. All you gotta do is scan it to a pizza and boom, you will get it. First things first, if you don't have the Domino's app, make sure you download it from your app store. So basically, from your app store, just type it in, search it in, Domino's. And that app right there, get it. And you just open it up. Once you get on the main page, it's gonna show you how many rewards points you got. So I have 50 points out of 60 towards my next free pizza. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do to get my free pizza. I just go here, my name and everything is right there. Then I hit right here, points for pie, whatever it is. Then click I am not a robot, and it just takes me right there. So Piece of the Pie Rewards, 50 points, and I'll be asking you some questions, and all you gotta do is just answer some of these questions. You just gotta like just BS it and just answer these questions. Here, click right there, right? Then it says it's gonna be loading. See that? It's gonna be loading. Then you need to have some pizza picture or something, and all you gotta do is scan it. Then the points will be added to your account in the next 48 hours.